So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to download and install Eclipse IDE on your PCs. If you are new to our channel, so please subscribe to my channel for the latest videos. So guys, open your browser and search for Eclipse IDE. Here, you will see the official website of Eclipse. Click on it. Now, click on Download. Here, you can see the Eclipse IDE. Click on it. Now, again click on the download. The download will start shortly. It will take some time to download. Here, you can see that Eclipse is downloaded successfully. Now, double-click on it. It will start shortly. Here, you can see the available options for Eclipse IDE. We want Eclipse IDE for Java. You can also install this one. But I will install this. It is IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. Here, you can change the location of files where you want to download Eclipse. Now, click on Install. The installation process is started. Make sure your internet connection is enabled. It will install all the necessary files automatically. Now, click on Launch. The Eclipse IDE will launch shortly. Here, select the location where you want to save your Java programs. First time, it will take some time to open. But later on, it will not take too much time to open. Here it is. This is the welcome window. Just close this. Now I will show you how to write a Java program in Eclipse and how to run it. Click on File, New, and then select a Java project. If you will not find the Java project here, then simply click on Others. Now, simply select the Java project. Now, enter the project name. Let's say Hello World. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Click on Don't Create. You can see that your Java project is ready. Now, left-click on your project, New, and select Class. Enter the class name. Check Public Static Void Main. Click on Finish. Here, the class and main method are automatically created. But we write it by ourselves. After practicing few codes, you can create it directly. Now, to run this program, left-click on Class, and then click on Run and select Run as Java Application. Here you can see the output of our program, which is Hello World.